Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be removing all the glass on this 1971 Super Beetle. However, this should work on most Beetles. Let's get started. Okay, so we are here at the rear quarter window of the Super Beetle. This window is held in by a rubber seal that goes over the glass and over the body. So we're going to start by removing that seal. So to remove this seal, we're going to need two people for this job. So Rob is going to get inside the car with a razor knife, and I'm going to be on the outside holding the glass and preventing it from falling through. So while Rob was getting in the car, he stumbled upon this license plate tag from November of 1981. And we did hear that this car last ran in 1980 and was parked in his backyard ever since. So that's pretty cool. So after finding that cool little artifact on the floor, Rob is now inside the car and he's going to show you how to cut out the seal. Alright, so Rob is working on the seal. If you're having trouble getting it out, you could cut across the seal just like that and try and peel it away. That will also work. But usually they just come off pretty easily.
In order to cut the seal, as I did in the previous clip, what you're going to do is place a knife between the seal and the glass right here. Then you will cut down so that the knife goes all the way through the seal. Then you can pull the knife, and what you'll do is separate the back of the seal from the front, letting you push the glass out once you have removed the back of the seal.
So remember to have your buddy on the outside of the car, keeping constant pressure on the window, light pressure, just enough so the window will not fall out. So as for the outer seal, you will not need to cut anything, as it will just pull right off once the inside seal is cut. And the person on the outside may notice a little bit of flex in the glass as he's cutting on the outside, maybe a little bit of force against your hand. That's all normal, just make sure you don't let the window fall. So once most of the seal is cut, you can have your buddy on the inside start pushing very softly, and you will see a little bit of movement here that is wanted. Just keep going on the rest of the window. So once you have one side of the bottom start pushing out, before you go ahead and work on the top, make sure you get the whole bottom of the window to come out. As you can see, this is not really budging, but this side is. So work on this side before you go to the top, just to make things easier. All right, so you can have your partner push one more time. You can see the whole bottom of the window is flexing out, but the top is still held in. So just work on that seal until the top falls out, and really be sure if you're on the outside to keep a hand on this glass so it does not fall out and break. So sometimes the inside of the seal could be a little bit stubborn. Just make sure to get that inside piece right there off. Peel it all the way off the window. There you go. It'll start to come off. Once that is removed, the window should just fall right out. So we got the majority of the seal on top removed. So keep a firm grip on this window and have your partner push out. As you can see, it's starting to remove here. And go ahead and push on the top right corner. That's still stuck, so just work on the area a little bit more. As you can see, there's still some seal. You can actually go ahead and try and peel that away. There you go. And once this piece is removed, the top of the window should move. And I'm gonna fall through the floor pan as I get out. And just like that, the window is out. So once your window is out, make sure you find a safe place to put it. You don't want to damage these. For now, we're just gonna rest it against the seat. So I just have the window resting up against the seat. What I'm probably going to do is take two pieces of cardboard and put the window in between it and put them somewhere safe downstairs. Once the window is removed, this is what it should look like. As you can see, you can actually see your headliner here. Our sill is pretty messed up with rust. This car has been sitting for 38 years, but yours will probably be a lot cleaner. Yeah, so just be sure to keep your glass somewhere safe. The same process goes for the other quarter window, the rear window, and the front windshield. Alright, so we actually got started on the other quarter window, and this one is seeming to peel out a lot better. The other one we kind of hacked up. Remember to just keep your hand on there. But yeah, just to show you guys how it's really supposed to be done. The other one was really dry rotted, so it needed to be kind of hacked up. It wasn't coming off in one piece, but this one is really coming off nicely. One piece without having to be cut. Yeah, that's it. That's how it's supposed to be done. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to see more of this 1971 Super Beetle restoration and the rest of Rob's 67 Beetle. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell to get notifications whenever we post a video, and thank you for watching.